Hello everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. My name is Lizzie. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara accessories. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you! Hello everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. In this video, I'll be teaching you steps on how to make Ankara slippers. So this is our mako wrapped with our Ankara material. This is our mako inside. This is our Ankara material. It's already wrapped. So the next step we'll be doing is to gum together to the slippers sole and to bring out the head of the slippers. So we'll be needing our soft leather to cut out the head of the slippers sole. The measurement of my leg is 7. The length is 7 while the width is 1. So I will measure it. I will measure the width is 1 inches and the length is 7. I will measure it. This is 7. I'll be cutting it out. This is cut out soft leather. Now we'll be gumming it on our material. We cut out a longer size of your soft leather. So we'll be gumming it together. We put our gum on the soft leather. Put our gum in. We gum our material on our soft leather like this. You use your hand to smoothen it. This is what you'll be getting. This is what it look like. Then you fold it in. This is what we have gotten. You fold it in. The soft leather, we've wrapped the soft leather with our Ankara material. So the next thing we'll be doing, this is our mako wrapped with our material. This is our paper fiber on our slipper sole. We'll be coupling them together. Then the next thing we'll do is to put our soft leather wrapped with our material on our mako. Gum them like this. So we'll add like this. This is what it will look like. So we'll add our gum. After adding gum, you gum your soft leather already wrapped with your material or your marco. Gum it. This is what you'll be getting. This is what it will look like. This is what you'll be getting. Then you do the same thing like this to this other side. This is what you'll be getting. Gum. This is what we have gotten after gumming it. It will be easier when you have a shoe molder, but now we don't have a shoe molder. I use the size of my leg to do this. This is what should be gotten. This is the front and this is the back. So what we'll be doing now, we'll take our slipper sole already gummed on our paper fiber and gum them together like this. So that's what we'll be doing now. We'll be adding gum to our marco and to our slipper sole. You add your gum. After adding your gum, you leave it to dry. Let it dry a little before you gum the slipper sole together with the marco. We already added gum to our marco, wrapped with our material. I've added gum to our slipper sole. You leave it to dry for some time before you gum, so that it will gum firmly. We'll be gumming it together now. You gum, you use your hand to smoothen it so that it will be firm while you are gumming. Use your hand to smoothen it. So you use your hand to smoothen the marco wrapped with your material or your slipper sole. This is what you'll be getting. This is what you'll be getting. Then you use your hammer to hit it to make it strong. You hit it. This is the finished work of our Ankara slippers. This is the finished work. This is the finished work of our Ankara slippers. This is the finished work. Look beautiful. This is the finished work of our Ankara slippers. This is what it looks like. This is the finished. For more interesting video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.